All right, so welcome back to another video. This is not going to be a parts repair video, hopefully, because this item was listed as working with a few issues that I don't really need to fix. Well, one issue that I really don't need to fix, it's that the battery is short, but it does work when plugged into a charger. So I might just take it apart and take out its battery in case the battery starts leaking or something, but we'll see. So this is just kind of just a basic video of me screwing around with the device. And what it is, it's an iPod Nano 5th generation. Like as you can see on screen here, I bought it off Macari. It was, I think, $6 or something. Yeah, it was $6, which is the cheapest I've ever seen for an iPod Nano 5th gen that actually powers on. This is the first ever iPod with a built-in camera. It actually had a camera 1 year before the iPod Touch 4th generation, because the iPod Touch 4th generation is widely considered to be the first iPod with a camera. However, this thing had a camera before the iPod Touch 4th generation, but it could not take photos. It only could record video, weirdly, as I remember. But yeah, anyway, before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Discord and Instagram as well, and you can find me on those using the links down in the description below. All right, so let's get into this thing. Not the best of packaging, so I hope it's not smashed, because it looked in good condition. So there it is. I thought it was blue, but whatever. I can't really remember. Looks okay, so not damaged in shipping. That didn't really look a great. Whoa, this thing looks great. Look at that. It almost looks like it's never used. I mean, there's one scratch on the Apple logo. But, damn. Has this been replaced at some point? I'll have to double check, because the serial number is there. And if the serial number is there and it matches the internal serial number, then we're good. But I'm wondering if that's the original body for a 11-year-old device. Look at it. It looks almost brand new. Look at the shine on that thing. It reflects really nicely. All right, so hold switch. Let me get a charging cable ready. Like the seller said, let's see if it does power on the charger. Yep, powers on. I mean, for $6, look at that thing. Perfect addition to my collection, that is. Okay, so let's go to settings. I want to check the serial number. General, I think. Oh no, is that about? Go to about. Serial number. Let's see if it's the same. YM9438X. About 571Y. Yep, it's the same serial number. So this is in actually excellent condition, and it's not being replaced. So that's great. That's whoever used this probably used it with a case or barely ever used it at all. So that's great. That's amazing. There's not a scratch on it, just this one. I know I'm blabbering about it too much, but I mean, for 11-year-old device, you wouldn't get it in this great condition. There's just one scratch on the Apple. Sorry about that. I ran out of space on my phone. So let's see what's up inside the menus. Let's try the video camera first, obviously. So it's at the bottom there, so it's a bit strange. As you can see, it's towards the bottom, like that. So it's really strange. I mean, I guess you gotta hold it like this and do video, like hold it like that. So let me take something. Oh, here's my iPhone 4S. So let's record that. How do you start recording? Okay, so I am recording now. So I'll put this video sample right after recording it. So just put a 10-second video sample. And here's the video sample. How do you start recording? Okay, so I am recording now, so I'll put this video sample right after recording it. So just put a 10-second video sample, and here's the video sample. So like I said earlier, I want to take it apart and take its battery out. However, I kind of remembered something. Taking the iPod Touch 50, because I've taken one of these apart long time ago. Taking one of these apart is gonna kind of damage the body. Like, you have to undo all the screws and stuff. And unlike the iPod Nano second generation, where you can just pull stuff out without while keeping the click wheel in, you have to wedge open the click wheel. You got to undo some connectors, and as I remember, you got to take the camera lens off as well. And wedging all that is going to damage all these edges, and this thing looks pristine, so I kind of feel bad damaging it, so I'm not going to take the battery out. Let's hope it doesn't leak. Most of these batteries do have a protective layer that doesn't, even if it does leak, it leaks into that layer and it does not leak into the device. It just looks so good. I just don't want to scratch it. And you can't take these out with plastic tools. You need metal tools, and I'll have to use my scalpel because this is really thin, so getting under there, I definitely have to use my scalpel, so it's gonna get scratched. I'm not gonna do that. I'm really happy with this thing. It looks so nice, so I'm not gonna scratch it up. So I'll just leave it like that. And here's a fun fact. While I was going back on Mercury to just a few minutes ago, just to leave a rating for the seller, because the seller gets paid only once after I've accepted the device and I've confirmed that it is what I ordered. And once I leave a review is then only when the seller gets paid. So I want to do it as fast as I can so that that person gets their $6. While I was leaving the review, which is the funny part, there was another one of these from a different seller, plus an iPod mini, that fat round silver thing, the predecessor to the iPod Nano. That plus another one like this, and a monster charging cable with the LED lights and stuff for $12 plus $4 shipping. And I ended up buying that one as well because that's actually a good deal. It's really hard to get iPod minis for low prices, and she had listed it as turns on but not for a long time. Again, probably another battery issue like this one. So I may mess with that 5th gen, but I'm not gonna mess with this 5th gen. I'm gonna mess with that 5th gen iPod Nano and the iPod mini when I get it. So till then, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna leave this one as it is. Anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.